Hola estudiantes. Today's lesson is called Conjunctions that use the subjunctive. Let's do a quick subjunctive review. Write down the 3 steps. You should have written down go to yo, drop the yo, check for kagars are, and then add the opposite vowel ending. Here are the conjunctions that require the subjunctive. Número 1, a fin de que, in order that. 2, a menos que, unless. 3, antes de que, before. 4, con tal de que, as long as. 5, en caso de que, in case that. 6, para que, in order that or so that. Y 7, sin que, without. These are not the only conjunctions that require the subjunctive, but these are the 7 that we're dealing with right now. If you take out the que, you're going to end up using the infinitive. What is the infinitive, you ask? I'm glad you asked. I know you just need a reminder. It's when verbs aren't conjugated. They still end in AR, ER, or IR, like correr, bailar, estudiar, vivir. So, if I have any of these conjunctions but the que is not there, I will just use the infinitive after. Let's look at some examples. Ejemplos. Don't spend your money unless it's necessary. No gastes tu dinero sea necesario. ¿Cómo se dice unless? You should have written a menos que. Make sure you write this down in both languages. You'll have to eat before leaving. ¿Cómo se dice before? Did you say antes de que? But will you write antes de que in this blank? Hey, look, this verb is in the infinitive. So you'll just write antes de without the que. So in the first example, you used the que because this is subjunctive. In the second example, since it's in the infinitive, we don't use the que. We just say antes de. I'm going to print some pictures so that everyone can look at them. ¿Cómo se dice so that? And miren is in the subjunctive, so you will use the form with the que in it. Voy a imprimir unas fotos para que todos las miren. So for your notes to be complete, you should have 3 examples written down. You should have the rule of when to use the infinitive, the 7 conjunctions, and a reminder of how to conjugate the subjunctive. Hasta luego.